Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel and this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so we are going to begin. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you want to know more about the personal readings, the rituals or the counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. So let's begin. In your career, you've got the apprentice card and the hermit card. I do feel that you're working very hard, okay? Despite your hard work, despite getting less salary, working more number of hours, whether that's your business or your job, the kind of result that you're waiting for might not be there. Some sort of truth about you, about your business, about your skills, or about the people around you will be revealed to you, which will really impact your decision. I do see that maybe you have studied very hard for an exam and you come back or you get a very negative result or you do not get through or you have applied for a job and you come that person come back with a no, that no, you have not been selected. What happens then? So I do see you overthinking about it. I do see you isolating yourself to make a particular decision and jot down a plan B for yourself. So this is going to be a very important week because some sort of truth will be revealed to you and the things that you have planned for yourself might not go according to your plan, right? The same goes for your business as well. Maybe you thought that it will give you 100% profit or a 50% profit and you only got 10% and you were like, no, I cannot survive long term with this kind of money. Or maybe you thought that this investor is going to invest in you and maybe they backed out, right? Now what? Now what are you going to do? So you're going to look for a plan B, some other option. So that is the kind of truth that I'm talking about. I also see that you need to take some sort of precaution or be cautious around your business dealings or your work dealings because read the documents clearly. There is something which is hidden from you which will not be verbally revealed to you, and if you do not read the documents properly, tomorrow you can suffer that as well. So please make sure that you're not making a hasty decision. You're thinking it through, reading the documents properly, and not trusting anyone easily because I do see that you have to follow your intuition and your intuition will guide you rather than trusting other people. So please isolate yourself, which you will be doing because I do see that people you trusted might not give you the kind of answers you were hoping for, and you will be forced to isolate yourself from such people or trust your own intuition. So yes, intuition will play a very big role for you when it comes to your professional life. Cancer, let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the one of moons, you've got the magician, which is also one number, and you've got the five of suns. Some sort of hope, some sort of new beginning is coming into your life. Maybe some of you gave up hope on someone who left you because there was a third party situation or it was a situationship or this person was not giving you commitment or not giving you what you wanted. Now this person will be choosing you. I do see that yes, there was jealousy, yes, there were a lot of rivalry around you. Your partner was talking to multiple people, but now they will be choosing you. So I do see that reconciliation is very much possible. Something or someone you gave up hope on, that hope is coming back into your life. I also see it for those people who were waiting for a new beginning to happen. You are finally manifesting a better partner, a good partner to yourself. Your manifestation powers are very strong. Either you have manifested a past person back into your life or you are manifesting a new person into your life. Whatever it is going to be very good for you. If you were already married and your relationship had problems or your partner was not loving you or they were trusting other people or they were extramarital affairs in this marriage, that all will be going away. Like I said, they will be choosing you over their work, choosing you over their friends, choosing you over a third party. So all in all, I think your personal life looks very good, but your professional lives need a lot of caution. So this was your last week's reading. If you guys resonated with it, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know which situation did you resonate with the most. And yes, this was a general reading, so all your questions might not have been answered. You can always book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. I do rituals as well. I have two kinds of rituals available, bay leaf and blockage removal ritual. I have different packages available for people who are single. Different set of questions plus a free remedy will be given to you to remove the blockages from your life. People in love, multiple questions will be answered, a remedy will be given. People looking for career, whether should I stay, move, switch, what is my career growth is like, what is hampering or what is blocking my growth. All these questions will be covered, plus a free remedy will also be given to you to remove these blockages. And lastly, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well, which means that if you feel down and out, if you need a friend to talk to or somebody or your confidant where your secrets can stay safe, where nobody will laugh at you, nobody will judge you no matter how many mistakes you have made, if you just want to feel light, you can always come to me. With the help of your angels, I will be giving you a remedy here as well if you want, no forcing, to make you more positive, to help you feel unstuck in your life. And these are available in audio video sessions as well, half an hour, 1 hour sessions as well, on Instagram, on Zoom or Google Meet. So you can email me at asasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And all these details are mentioned in my description box below and my bio as well. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram, because here I'll only be sharing these details with you verbally and might even skip a thing or two. But there on a daily basis, you will know what services I have, new services, if there's any, what are the prices. Prices are very different. So take what resonates with you, choose what is suiting your budget. I have different services, different range of prices available, starting at 170 to going up to 4,000, 5,000. So totally depends on what you want to choose. Every person has a different, price range available. So go check that out on my Instagram handle. And it's just easier. You will be updated on when I come live, when the channel is closed, right? And any other detail that you would want to know. So please subscribe here. Please follow my Instagram. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very, very soon. Bye bye.